Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna vlog, so today I'm gonna vlog a little bit. We just got to the salon and I do have a brow wax right now, and then I have two lash fills. And right now I brought my my SD card because I went ahead and filmed 2 videos. So I'm just gonna download the footage to my computer, and then in between clients I'll edit it. Not much is going on. I woke up this morning and I had the chance to go to the gym and I didn't. I chose not to. I don't know what it is with me right now. I'm kind of like in a funk. I didn't even put eyelashes on. I did my makeup really quick. Yeah, so now I just gotta drag all the footage from last night to my desktop, and then that way I can just slowly start editing. My daughter, guys, Malia. Say hi. Say hi. What are you doing? Coloring? Yeah, so she's gonna color. She's really good when she has to wait for me. And so, yeah. Lately I've been needing to bring her to work, so that works. Thank God for working for myself, right? So I let her usually watch YouTube over here, and then I just get to work. So like I said I was going to vlog and I didn't. I went ahead and went to the gym last night and I didn't continue to vlog, get my lashes done. So I'm showing you the before, and I also did a facial on myself last night, so real red. Can you see? Know how annoying it is for lash techs to have their clients come in with friggin' like lash glue and stuff. So I'm trying real hard to remove every single thing I have. Also, when I get back, when I'm done, I'm going to be doing makeup application on somebody. Hopefully I will vlog some of that. Will be a party tonight that me and my husband are going to. So I'm going to try to vlog maybe, I don't know. So I'm not sure if I don't end up doing that girl's makeup. And even if I do, I might run to a town that's like an hour away, and maybe do a little bit of shopping. I'm not too sure, so I guess you can just see the vlog, see how it goes.
And you make me feel like a rebel, but I will not give you a reason to destroy me more and more again and again.
Go follow us on Instagram. Oh, go follow me.